Today I am testing micro Martingale EA. Currency symbol is GBPUSD and time duration is 1 month. Period is M1 and spread is 5. Now open expert properties. Initial deposit is 100 and max spread is 5. I am using signal level 7. Higher value means more accurate signal. And in order to protect equity, I am using this value as close all positions when drawdown max percentage is 2. Now click OK and press the start button. Now open graph tab to see the progress of the expert advisor. Now open the report tab. Drawdown is 2.38% while total net profit is 8.22. I am also sharing the EA and its set files. You can find the download link in the description of the video. Thank you for watching my video. If you found these trading tips and tutorials helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more valuable content. Remember, successful trading awaits you. So let's navigate the markets together. Happy trading.